Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to add word clock widget in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is press the two finger on screen in your Oppo A5s and slide closer to see the widget below. And okay guys, you all have to do is click widget. And okay guys, now you can see the word clock widget. Or if you can't see the word clock widget, you all have to do is slide to the left or to the right. And okay guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add word clock widget. Okay, you'll have to do is click word clock widget. And okay guys, now your word clock widget is added to your home screen. And okay guys, okay guys, we have successfully add the word clock to your home screen in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, to add the word clock of the other country, okay, you'll have to do is press or click the word clock widget. And okay guys, after that, okay, you can see the plus sign on the upper right side. Okay, you'll have to do is click the plus sign to add the clock of the country you want to add. And okay guys, for my example is the Amman, Jordan. And okay guys, you'll have to do is click the Amman, Jordan. And okay guys, now you can see the Amman, Jordan. And okay guys, okay, go back to see the Amman, Jordan word clock. And okay guys, to add another one, okay, you'll have to do is click again to word clock and click the plus sign again to add another one of your country you want to add to your word clock widget. And okay guys, another one is the Bari, Italy. Okay, click the Bari, Italy. And okay guys, go back and you can see the Bari, Italy clock here on your word clock widget. And okay guys, okay, to remove the word clock country, okay, you'll have to do is click again and you can see on the upper right side on the screen the edit. Okay, you'll have to do is click edit. And now you can see the negative sign on the left side of the country. And okay guys, to remove the country, you'll have to do is click or press the negative sign. And okay guys, after that, you can see the trust icon on the right side of the country. Okay, you'll have to do is click the trust sign. And okay guys, we have successfully removed the word clock country. And okay guys, another one, click again the negative sign on the left side and click the trust icon on the right side to remove the country clock. And okay guys, after that, okay, click the done on the upper right side on your screen to save the word clock country. And okay guys, go back. And okay guys, we have successfully add the word clock widget in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.